I needed to put some stuff in the attic, so I backed the car out. You can probably hear what happened. Came back in, turned around and found this. Help! Help me! Help me! I was on the car. I was in the car and she backed the car out. And now I'm stuck. Do you want to come down? Do you need to come down?